Hello, your friendly instructor here with some more information about a new platform I'm testing out this semester. It's called FlipGrid. On your Canvas, you'll see it under the Welcome, and then there's just a little link right here. So if you select that link, it'll open up and ask you to register for this class. So you can join with either your Google account if you have that, or with your school's Microsoft account. So I would recommend joining with your T-Birds account. That will make it easy and quick. What you'll see then is you'll start to see some prompts. Now you won't see all 4 of these right now because this is my platform, so you'll see that 2 of these are hidden. Right now you're going to see a say hello and a special skills thing. So if you go into that, it'll just ask you to do something. So it'll say hello, share a fun fact about yourself, and you can record a response. There's a lot of different things that we're going to test out with this platform. So that is your FlipGrid. Things will be appearing, and anything that appears in FlipGrid will be linked to our FlipGrid in Canvas as well. If you have questions, let me know. It is a new platform, so we'll see how it goes together.